Hello, welcome to RSL Tutor. Please do subscribe to our channel and please do like our video. Thank you.
Hello friends and welcome back to RSL Tutor. This is me Imran Sayed, and today in this tips and tricks lecture I'm going to tell you that how can you disable the Windows 10 updates, because Windows 10 is using the unwanted updates most of the updates are not usable in the front end for the users. So in this trick you can use just simple steps to disable your Windows updates. Windows 10 is not allowing you to disable updates directly, so you have to stop the updates of Windows 10 forcefully. So let's start the tutorial. In Windows, just simply press the two short keys. This is the first one is Windows and the second one is +R. Okay, after clicking the Windows R button, the run dialog box will appear. In this dialog box you have to type the service.msc. This is service.msc and click on OK button. After clicking the OK button, the services windows will open here, and all of the services of Windows are listed in this services windows. So you have to find the option of Windows updates. This is the option we want to track in this service window. Just double click on the Windows update, and in this dialog window in the general tab you have to click on the disable option. Once you open this services tab and click on the Windows dialog general button, in your Windows setting might be it will select it to the automatically delayed start. So you have to click on the disable, and you have to stop this service after clicking on apply on OK button. Okay, once you stop the service, just click on apply on OK button. Your service will be stop running, and the next step what you have to do is just restart your Windows, and the Windows update will automatically disable. It will not affect your Windows operating system. It is just stop using and downloading the unwanted Windows update which is not required for your Windows operating system, because you have already installed the latest version of Windows. So if you want to get the update from the Microsoft, then you have to enable your Windows update. But all of those user who wants to disable the Windows update, because in the backend scenes the Windows is using the unwanted bandwidth and it will affect your internet speed. So this is the simple step to disable the Windows update. And the second option that we have to use for meter the connection, if you don't want to disable your Windows updates, the second option you can do is just limit your Windows services so it will not download the unwanted updates behind the scenes. This option is only workable on Wi-Fi. Whenever you are using the Wi-Fi, it will meter the connection and you cannot download the Windows, and I mean to say that the Windows will not able to download the updates. So for this step you have to press the Windows and I button. By clicking Windows I, it will go to the settings option. You can also trace your settings option in this notification panel and click on the all settings, and this setting window will be appeared. After opening this settings option, now click on the network and internet. In this network and internet, the first option should be selected is Wi-Fi. In this Wi-Fi you have to click on the advanced option, and then what you have to do is you have to on this option. It definitely it will be on in the state of off, so you have to make a set as meter connection on. What the meter connection will do, if you have a limited data plan and want more control over data usage, make this connection a metered network. Some apps might work differently to reduce data usage when you are connected to this network, because the Windows 10 is also operates like the smartphones application which are downloading their services behind the scene. If you are using the applications and apps of Windows 10, then you have to check this option on. This option is only work So if you are the user of Windows 10 application based, so you have to click on the meter connection, so it will not use the extra bandwidth from your Wi-Fi or internet. Or if you want to download the updates, then you have to use the Ethernet cable connection, because the metered option is not working on the Ethernet cable connection. It only works with the Wi-Fi connection. So hope you guys like this tips and tricks video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, because the new tips and tricks videos will be on this RSL tutor channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.